Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. Let's check out this Umbra soap dispenser. Throughout the pandemic, we all became very familiar with washing our hands and sanitizing at every option. And the last thing you want to do is touch a soap dispenser while trying to get clean. So in comes Umbra. This motion activated dispenser is not only practical but also really sleek and stylish. I absolutely adore this look. I also appreciate the simple and effective design. Under the flap on the top you have the on-off button, so if you are going to transport it you can just switch it off and make sure it's not going to start spraying when nothing is around. I also love the fact that it is so easy to fill. All you have to do is literally just pull this plug on the top and you have a wide open space to refill with either lotion, sanitizer or soap depending on what you want. And then a simple click and it goes back to the way it was. Like I said, it is absolutely beautiful. I love the window on the front so you can see how much you have left also. But that's just my point of view.